Any discipline that you study here, whether it is DigiPaint or 3D modeling or game design or programming, it takes a ton of work and requires a lot of passion out of you. There's going to be good days, there's going to be bad days. Your mentors are going to push you to be better than what you are now. And if you accept that and internalize it, you can go as far as you want, but just know it is something that is going to require a heavy amount of personal growth from you. And personally, I think that's a great thing.
You get out of it what you put into it. So if you're there to do the work, like, it's not easy. It's a lot of hard work and it's a hard goal, right? Because you just have so much you gotta learn. It's, the more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it.
You have industry professionals that are still working in the industry and have worked in the industry, and you have their advice 24/7.
Yeah, I would tell somebody who's interested in going to CGS that it's a great option if you want something that is accessible and remote, and you're maybe not immediately surrounded by the people who can really connect with you about the work that you're trying to do.
If I hadn't been in CG Spectrum, maybe I would have been stuck with the idea that I was the only talented kid in class back in high school, you know what I mean? Because being in an environment where everyone helps each other and everyone is an artist helps you learn that there is so much room to grow within your own career as an artist. It's probably the best decision I ever had.